To add a search function to a Squarespace website, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Log into your account and access your account dashboard, where you'll select the website you want to add a search bar to. This will take you to the website editor, which includes various options such as website pages, styles, assets, selling, invoicing, content, and analytics. Choose the page where you want to add the search bar and click on Edit. From there, you can add a block and search for the Search option, which can be found in the list of available blocks. Once you've added the search bar, you can customize its appearance, including the theme, and configure settings such as the search page limit and results display. The search bar can be edited and tailored to fit your website's needs, providing a useful tool for visitors to find specific content.